Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be creating pink glitter butterfly nails using the Gershion Polygel kit. Thank you so much to Gershion for reaching out to me to try out this kit. I'll have all the information in the description down below. I will be giving my honest opinion on the kit. I do own some polygel kits already from Gershion. I've always liked them, but that's just my opinion. Thank you once again to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. So these are just the things that the kit brings. Here are the colors. It does bring 6 colors. They are 30 milliliters each. So that is great. You get a lot of polygel, and I will be doing a very simple and easy method that doesn't require for you to waste a lot of polygel. Here are the swatches of the polygel. So as you guys can see, this is a nude kit and the colors are beautiful. You can go a long way with these colors. You can get very creative. You can marble them, you can mix them. You can do absolutely so much with this. So here I am just swatching the colors. Okay, can we take the time to appreciate how clear this polygel is? I was really impressed. Here are the swatches of all of them. So now I just begin to push back my cuticles and trim them as well. After prepping my nails, I will now apply the base coat and then I will cure it under the UV lamp. So these are the colors that I decided to go with today for today's look. So now I'll just begin the process. I suggest you start out with a little bit and then you maneuver your way through the nail and add as you go, because you don't want it to ooze out once you place the nail on to cure. And by the way, as you guys can see, this polygel is very easy to work with. It isn't runny whatsoever and it's very smooth. I absolutely really liked it. This kit did not come with a slip solution. I always just use 100% acetone nail polish remover, but that is up to you what you decide to use as a slip. So now I just place the nail onto my nail plate and then I cure it for 60 seconds. Now I begin to apply the polygel onto the other nail and I am just working my way up all the way from the top to the bottom of the nail. So here I'm just grabbing some nail art stickers that I will have linked down below. So here I am using the Gershion top coat as an adhesive to place my butterflies to my liking. After I am done placing the butterflies and curing them into place, now I will just smoothly spread the polygel through the nail. So to achieve a fast glittery nail, I just applied some regular polish, I let it dry, and then I just applied the polygel onto the nail, and that was all. Here are what the nails are looking like so far. I am definitely loving the nails. It's just simple, it's beautiful, and I am just loving anything that has butterflies in them. Let me know down below what you guys thought about this nail look. So here I am just grabbing the 100-180 grit file, and I am just filing off the shine of all the nails and also doing my shaping. Here I begin to buff the nails, making sure that they're smooth as can be, and then I will begin to apply the Gershion top coat along with some rhinestones. Here are the final results of the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you once again so much for all the love and support I receive. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.